What's up mga idol? For today's video, we tackle about the benefits of black pepper. And we know how important black pepper in our body. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get it. Black pepper offers several health benefits due to its active compound. Pepperin, it can improve digestion, enhance nutrients absorption, and potentially aid in weight management by boosting metabolism. Additionally, black pepper possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and may help regulate blood sugar and improve brain health. Benefits: improve digestion. Black pepper stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which is essential for proper digestion. It also has carminative properties which can help reduce gas and bloating. Antioxidant properties. Black pepper is a source of antioxidant that can help protect the body against cell damage caused by free radicals. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that black pepper may help improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Brain health. Black pepper, particularly its pepperin contents, has been linked to improve cognitive function and memory and may have neuroprotective effects. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something new. To God be the glory. God bless us all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share.